Greetings, mortals! Today we are turning innocent gingerbread cookies into spooky little monsters. All you need is flour, powdered sugar, cacao powder, melted butter, honey, vanilla sugar, eggs, cinnamon. Let's go! Mix all the ingredients together. I'm using a mixing bowl, but you can mix it with your hands too. When the dough is mixed, you can leave it in the fridge for an hour or two before you use it. Rolling and cutting is the easy part. Decorating is a bit difficult, but don't be scared. Doesn't matter how it's gonna turn out, the kid's gonna love it. I cut the dough in half and I added to the other half a little bit of cacao powder. So I have two different kinds. This is how you can create a mummy. Just stick the dough on top of each other. After baking, just let it cool down. In that time you can make the icing. The powdered sugar has to be sifted. I'm using 2 egg whites. If you don't know how to make a piping bag, I also have a video for you. And finally, here we are, the most fun part, making some cool stuff for Halloween. The girls saw me making cookies, and of course they also wanted to help. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. If you liked it, just hit the like button.